question we get a lot from our clients is whether they should report any employment violations to their employer or to their human resources division. It's our belief that employers should report any violations they believe have happened to their employer or to their manager or to their human resources division. It's important to do so because one of the employment violations under Title VII that we look a lot at is called retaliation. And that occurs when an employer reports an unlawful activity such as discrimination or other unlawful actions, and then the employer then takes further actions against them due to them reporting those activities. We encourage clients to do so without fear of retaliation because reporting employment violations to your employer and their HR division is important in order to have these discriminatory actions be noted, be investigated, and be taken seriously by your employer. But also reporting these violations can then put you on the record so that if your employer takes further action against you, specifically for your statement of these violations that you believe have occurred against you, you can then have a claim of retaliation against your employer. So we believe it's important for employees to report activities that they believe are unlawful employment activities to their employer, because again, that can allow those claims to be investigated properly by the employer, and that employee will then be covered against retaliation by their employer, because any actions taken by the employer in response to their discussion of activities they believe to be unlawful can then be retaliatory acts. And we as a firm take those retaliatory acts very seriously, and those are some other actions that we look at taking in either administrative hearings or before courts. And so in order to have this retaliation claim, it's important to then note these actions that you believe are unlawful. So it's our recommendation to employers and to employees and to clients to note to their employers any actions they believe to be unlawful or illegal and report those to their proper human resources division.